age 29. I've gone through this program by Dr. Valarrmathi, and previously my opinions are I had irregular periods. I used to get in 40 days, sometimes it used to skip also. And after following the program for a few days itself, I started noticing changes. Periods came in 35 days itself, and basically I saw changes within myself, both physically and mentally. Physically, after doing certain exercises, the flexibility in my body just got increased, and mentally my stress levels are decreased. Not much of stress I am taking currently as I used to take a month ago. And coming to mindset, I am able to prepare my mind to face certain things which I got scared to face previously, and I am thinking that I can face life much better in a less stressful way. All thanks to this program.